Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to open a Commonwealth bank account online in Australia. So whether you're a first time account holder or just switching banks, I'll break it down super clearly. So first, simply head over to your Commonwealth bank website. From here, you'll then be able to see an option for open an account. So simply click on this to get started. Next, you'll then be asked to choose the type of account you want. So Commonwealth offers options like everyday accounts, savings accounts, or youth accounts. So simply pick the one that best fits your goals. So now comes the part where you then need to enter your personal details. So you need your full name, date of birth, address, and contact information. So you also need to provide identity verification, which is usually going to be your passport, driver's license, or Medicare card. So just make sure all your information matches what's on your official documents. It literally makes the whole process way smoother. And once your ID is verified, you will then be able to set up your online banking login. So simply choose a username and password that's secure and memorable. You may also be asked to set up security questions or two-factor authentication for extra protection. And after that, you will then also have to review the account terms, conditions, and then submit. And just like that, your account will then be open and you also get your account details and your debit card mailed straight to you. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.